Good morning, students. Today we'll start the chapter number 9, differential equation. First of all, I want to tell you about the meaning of differential equation. Such an equation, we have let me speak something about y equal to f of x. We have two things here. It is called an independent variable, it is called a dependent variable, and one more thing, they are called the derivatives. They all called derivatives. They all called derivatives. So let me speak such an equation in which x, y and one of the derivative or more than one derivative must include called a differential equation. Can you see? dy by dx plus 2y equal to x. It is a differential equation because it is containing dy by dx. X and y also there, but necessary is dy by dx. dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 0. It is again a differential equation because it is containing dy by dx. Even x is not here. dy by dx is equal to 0. It is again a differential equation because dy by dx is there. Equation meaning it is must be equal to. So all are the example of differential equation. Differential equation is such an equation in which derivative section must include along with x and y. X and y are not necessary in the equation. The thing. Now next is, it is a definition of differential equation I have discussed. The next is, I am telling you degree of differential equation. Look at it. If I write d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus x is equal to 0. This is differential equation. Can you see the portion of derivative? Derivative portion this and this. Highest order is looking 2. So it is the order of differential equation 2. It may be like anything, anyway. Like I ask you, dy by dx plus x is equal to y plus d square y by dx square. Again, you don't need to change the equation. As it is, you can identify. Can you see the derivative section? This and this. This is derivative, this is derivative. The highest order is 2. So the order of the whole differential equation is 2. So identify the highest one as a degree, as the order of the derivative called the order of whole differential equation. This is the order. Now, we talk about the next thing. I wrote here degree. I must tell you order. This was order. Right now, what I taught you, it is the order. It is order. I am telling you now the degree of differential equation. Again, I speak one thing. As I right now taught you, it is order. In order, you have to identify. First, look whole the differential equation. Take out all, search all the derivative section. See the highest order of the derivative called the order of whole differential equation. This is the degree of differential equation. Now let me tell you something. In degree, your differential equation must be polynomial in y dash, y double dash, y triple dash and so on. It means that if any equation is coming which is not polynomial in these section, we cannot find the degree. I put some example here. You can understand by your own. Can you see dy by dx plus 1 equal to x plus d square y by dx square? I first want to tell you, look all the derivative section. dy by dx is derivative, d square y by dx square is derivative. But can you see it is a root sign? Meaning whole is not polynomial. So in the meaning of polynomial, meaning dy by dx, d square by dx square, they should not come in a root sign. Not should be a fraction power. Not with the trigonometric function like sine, like cos. Only y may be in the root sign, maybe with the sine or cos. But d square y by dx square, d cube y by dx cube, dy by dx, they all are the derivative section. They should be they should follow the condition of the polynomial. This is not polynomial. We cannot find a degree. So I square both sides. I square both sides. And now student, it is polynomial. Now search, I tell you. How we can find a degree? For degree, first you find order. So order is what? You see all the derivative part, this and this. It's order 1, it's order 2, meaning order is 2. And by which term you found the order, whose power will be called the degree. By which derivative term you found the order, whose power will be the degree, meaning degree is equal to 1. Degree equal to 1. If you will open it, I know dy by dx whole square will come, but it is nonsense for us. Because we found the order from here, so that look its power and it is your degree. So that's very simple. I ask you one question here. Suppose it is coming d square y by dx square plus sine of dy by dx plus x is equal to 0. What is the order? One should understand. Order is 2, highest one. But about the degree, I tell you, it is not the polynomial in dy by dx, d square y by dx square, d cube y by dx, because sine is coming here along with dy by dx. So you know that you just have to see it should be polynomial in dy by dx, d square y by dx square and so on. Why? Don't take y in this condition. Y may be in under root sign, y may be with the sine, y may be with the cos, no matter at all. But dy by dx and d square y by dx square and its team should follow the condition of the polynomial. So this is the thing, student. You can now understand it the way I have taught you here. Please follow the concept and do the first exercise completely, because I don't think that I need to tell you about the exercise. This is very simple to find the degree and order and degree. So that's simple. Again I speak, for finding the degree you first find the order, and by which term you found the order, whose power will be the degree. Okay. Now the next condition I am telling you. The next condition I am telling you, for next exercise, general and particular solution of differential equation. First of all, read only here, solution of differential equation. So let me speak something. This is the equation I have taken. Equation I have taken with the arbitrary constant m and c. I do differentiation one time. I do differentiation another time. So what we got? This equation and this. This is equation and this is differential equation. So I simply tell you, this differential equation we have got from this equation after doing the differentiation. So this is called the solution and this is called its differential equation. So we can say this is the solution of this differential equation, or we can say this is the corresponding differential equation of this equation. These two are connected. Now keep remember, this differential equation we have got from this equation, so it is called solution and it is called differential equation, and keep this in mind. Question will be like that. Actually this is m and c. This is called an arbitrary constant, so it is called a general solution. And when we would have particular values of m and c, like m equal to 2 and c equal to 3, that time the solution will be called particular solution. So I will give you further the examples of particular solution. You don't worry about this. I am telling you something about the question. Question may come like verify y equal to mx plus c is a solution of differential equation d square y by dx square equal to 0. This question may become. So what to do? Read the nature of the question. Verify this is solution of this. We have done same. So you just have to how to solve. You will take equation like that, you do differentiation and try to reach at the destination. If you will get this condition, meaning this will be the differential, this will be the solution of the differential equation. This is the way. So I put some example also in front of you from the book. I think you can understand it very well. Let me take some example. Example number 2 I am taking here. Look at. Verify that y is equal to e to the power minus 3x is solution of d square y by dx square plus dy by dx minus 6y is equal to 0. I tell you one thing, student, we have two ways to do this question. First thing, I speak, you have a equation and it is differential equation. We have to verify that this is a solution of this differential equation. So we will take this one and we will try to find, we will try to get whole at the time. But I tell you one thing, that it actually contains method. This is my given equation. I will do the required differentiation, like 2 time differentiation I will do. First I have done first time dy by dx equal to d by dx of e to the power minus 3x. dy by dx is equal to, do differentiation, you know that differentiation of this is this one. You have got to differentiate because in the requirement we have a 2 time differentiation. So I'll do the second time differentiation here like that. So answer will be 9 e to the power minus 3x. You know how to differentiate the term. So have you got the complete answer at once? No. Have you got the complete answer at once? No. So what to do? We have another way. We are not actually able to get the same answer whole there. Okay, so we take a left hand side. Actually, by anyhow, student, we have to verify the term. We have to verify the term, this term. We want to verify this. So okay, if you are not getting direct answer, you can take a left hand side and find the right hand side. How to do this? D square by dx square is a 9 into the power minus 3x. This dy by dx equal to minus 3 e to the power minus 3x. And y is equal to, we have a e to the power 3x. So can you see 9 e to the power minus 3x minus 3 e to the power minus 3x, and this all will cancel and get a 0. So what its meaning? It verified. It verified meaning y is equal to e to the power minus 3x is solution of given differential equation. This is the way of solving. And one thing, the left hand side was essential here because I am not getting the complete answer at once. If you have got the complete answer at once after doing the required differentiation, you need not take this one. I will tell you one example also from the book. Example number 3. See example number 3 from the book. It is verified y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x is solution of this. So what is the way of solving? We have to show this is a solution of this one. So we will take this one and we will try to find the whole answer at once. Like solution. This is my equation. I do differentiation. You know its differentiation is minus sin x, its differentiation is cos. I do again differentiation. Why? Because in the question we have a 2 time differentiation required. So it's a cos x and it is again sin x minus sin x. We have done. In last question we saw that the requirement I wasn't getting at once, so I took the left hand side. In this question again is looking that the requirement is not appearing very clear. You will attempt to take a left hand side, you can, but fortunately I tell you, we are actually have a same condition. How to do so? Look at one term I will tell you, you can understand by yourself, take out minus common. And fortunately this is none else but it is equal to y. So student, d square y by dx square equal to minus y, it is coming. Look at minus y. and do transfer minus y here, do transfer minus y here, this is gonna be plus y is equal to 0. Can you see that both same got? I didn't take a left hand side because at once we have got a same concept, same term, same requirement which I was needed, and it means y equal to a cos x plus b sin x is solution of differential equation. But if you will not get the same term directly or at once by doing the differentiation, what you will do, you take a left hand side and get a right hand side. This is also another way. So this was the example from my side, students. Now the questions, 2 or 3 questions of the exercise I will tell you. See, exercise 9.2 I am telling you. Exercise 9.2 I am telling you. Question number, I can see 4th one is looking good. And this is the question. So can you see the nature of the question? This side is given solution and this side given a differential equation. And what we'll do, we will try to take this one. What we are asked, I didn't read the question, but I tell you, we have to verify this is the solution of this differential equation. So we'll go with, and we do the single differentiation. Differentiate with respect to x. So what we have, like that. So we have y dash equal to 1 upon 2 into same into double of 1 plus x square is 2x. 2 into cancel. So we have y dash equal to x upon 1 plus x square. Now look at it. Have you got the same term here? No, we are not having the same term. But we can create. I don't want to take a left hand side. We can create from here. Look at it, I tell you. Do multiply and divide by 1 plus x square. Do multiply and divide by 1 plus x square. What you will get? Upside. Like that. And very good thing it is coming that 1 plus x square is actually equal to y. So this is done as but it is y upon 1 plus x square. Can you see, student, that same xy upon 1 plus x square which was actually requirement has come directly at once by doing the required differentiation. It means y is equal to 1 plus x square is solution of differential equation. This is the way of solving. Now students are getting it. I don't think it's a trouble. Okay, one more question I want to discuss. Question number 6. Look at here. Question 6 I tell you. Y equal to, we have x sin x, and at the side we are given x y dash equal to y plus x square minus y square. This is the question. Okay, so what is this? This is my differential equation and this is what my equation. So I will try to go with this and I will try to reach here just by doing directly at once or taking left hand side and right hand side method. Okay, taking y equal to x sin x. Do differentiate with respect to x. This gonna be y dash equal to d by dx of x sin x. We have a multiplication law, student. Keep remember, we have a multiplication law. So y dash equal to first function x differentiation sin x cos x plus differentiation sin x second function differentiation of x is 1. So we have got y dash equal to x cos x plus sin x. Now what we'll do? We have a term x y dash. We have a term x y dash equal to y plus x over root x square minus y square. That long term is having with us, and we are having y dash equal to x cos x plus sin x only. What I need? I was needing whole the term, and I am just getting this particular y dash equal to x cos x plus only sin x. Now what I can do, look at, I tell you something about here. We can create the term anyhow by we have an equation y equal to x sin x, as well as we have a y dash equal to this. We can take the help of this one. We want to reach here by taking LHS or something like, we want to try to get same answer. What we can do here, look at it, tell you something. Can you have sin x is equal to y by x? I just want to write in a curly bracket. I want my whole answer at once. I will take the help of y equal to x sin x. Do you know what is the value of sin x? Y by x is equal to sin x. Can we put sin x here? So we'll have y dash equal to x cos x plus, so instead of sin x we have a y by x. Y by x. Can we take a LCM and do cross multiply? X y dash equal to x square cos x plus y, like that. Now are we getting the same answer? Yes, slightly, not all, but still we will try. X y dash we got y plus x square minus y square we need. Okay students, we to try something x y dash equal to, we have a y has come, x square cos x is being here. So we to try something, can we go with x square and y square? I need x square minus y square. I think I should take a side. I am not getting the answer instantly. So I just want to take a side. I just want to rub this portion. I want to rub this portion, and I will take a side also. I think taking side is good here. Let me speak one thing. I am getting y dash equal to x cos x plus sin x. Then I am just feeling tough to find my answer. So I can take the side. Let me speak something. X y dash equal to y plus x square minus y square. I am taking right hand side. I want to take a left hand side. Look at it. Right hand side I want to take y plus x into x square minus y square. Can you put the values? Value of y is x sin x. X sin x plus x into x square minus, value of y is x sin x, x square sin square x. Now x sin x plus x, can we take out x square common? So 1 minus sin square x. So it is x sin x plus x will come out as x square, and 1 minus sin square x will be cos square x will be cos x. Can you take out x common? So it is only sin x plus x cos x. Hope it is same as this one. So by one can understand that it is x and it is none else but it is y dash. What we have got? LHS. Let me speak that at the instant, if you are not getting your whole requirement, you will take a left hand side and get a right hand side. This is the way. If you got the left hand side, I took the biggest portion, right hand side, and I got a left hand side, which was the smallest one. And that is the method by which you can write that this is the solution of this differential equation. This is the way. So student, you do all the question now from your side. Still feeling problem? I am here. Okay, thank you.